How to answer reject an incoming call on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So when you receive an incoming call, you can swipe across. So swipe across to answer the call. To end the call, just tap on the end button. And to reject an incoming call, just swipe across to reject an incoming call. You can also reject an incoming call by sending a text message. So simply swipe up and then you can choose remind me in 1 hour and then reply it with a text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also silence the call by pressing the volume down or volume up call without rejecting the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.